Wow. This was our last fuse.
See? It's a good thing we're getting out of here.
I've always loved travel anyway. The open road, the smell of the wind in my face, the flies clogging up my grill.
Yeah? Well, how are we gonna travel?
Hey, I've got an idea. We can all pile on top of the bed, you know, and then Kirby can push us. No. Hey! What about the Master's pogo stick? No, that's no good. Hey! How about we're in the refrigerator on a skateboard and Kirby can pull? No. Hey!
Shut up!
Shut up!
Let somebody else try for a change. Arise, Hassan. Arise, oh magic carpet.
We need a longer cord.
Why, we need an alternate power source, I say.
I guess this is it.
Uh-huh. Hey, Blanket.
Huh?
You ready to go, Blanket?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, Kirby.
Shag carpet.
Why, look, Lampy. From here you can see the really big lamp.
Wow! I wonder where his switch is. We are pioneers! Whoa!
Can't see the road anymore. Are we going the right direction?
I don't think so.
Why, you boys are gonna need a navigator.
Navigator?
Why, sure. I'll just tune in on a radio signal from the city, see? I can take you right there, lickety-split. North by northwest. Watch out for low-flying aircraft.
Ow! What's wrong?
He stepped on me.
Did not.
Did too.
Did not.
Did too.
Did not.
Hey, come on. How do you guys expect us to get there if you're fighting all the time?
You mean we're not there yet?
No, not yet. We got a long way to go.
Oh, boy. You're telling me.